Tesla vehicles have gained popularity for their innovative electric technology and impressive features. However, like any product, they also have their downsides and limitations. Here are some of the common drawbacks associated with Tesla vehicles. 1. High initial cost. Tesla vehicles are generally more expensive upfront compared to their gasoline-powered counterparts. While there may be tax incentives and lower operating costs in the long run, the initial purchase price can be a barrier for some buyers. 2. Limited charging infrastructure. While Tesla has a growing supercharger network, charging infrastructure can still be limited in some areas, especially in rural or less densely populated regions. This can lead to range anxiety for some Tesla owners, although other charging options like home charging and destination charging are becoming more widely available. 3. Charging time. While Tesla superchargers are faster than most other charging options, they still take longer to refuel a vehicle compared to filling up a gasoline tank. Charging times can range from 15 minutes for a partial charge to over an hour for a full charge, depending on the charger's speed and the vehicle's battery capacity. 4. Range limitations. While Tesla vehicles offer impressive ranges compared to some other electric cars, they may not suit long-distance road trips for everyone. Cold weather and high-speed driving can reduce the effective range, which might be a concern for those living in extreme climates. 5. Depreciation. Tesla vehicles tend to depreciate at a faster rate than some other luxury cars. This can impact resale values and make owning a Tesla less financially advantageous over time. 6. Maintenance costs. While Tesla vehicles have fewer moving parts and require less maintenance than traditional internal combustion engine cars, when repairs are needed, they can be costly. Additionally, Tesla owners may face challenges in finding qualified mechanics and authorized service centers in some areas. 7. Quality control issues. Some early Tesla models faced quality control issues, including problems with fit and finish, paint quality, and interior materials. While Tesla has made improvements over the years, these issues can still occasionally arise. 8. Reliability concerns. Like any new technology, electric vehicles, including Teslas, have faced occasional reliability concerns. This includes issues with software updates, connectivity, and powertrain components. However, Tesla has been proactive in addressing many of these issues through over-the-air software updates. 9. Lack of model variety. While Tesla has expanded its lineup in recent years, there is still a more limited variety of models compared to traditional automakers. This may not meet the diverse needs and preferences of all consumers. 10. Resale value. While Tesla vehicles can have good resale value compared to some other electric cars, the resale market for electric vehicles is still evolving, and the value can vary depending on factors such as the vehicle's age, mileage, and battery condition. It's important to note that these drawbacks may not be significant concerns for all potential Tesla buyers. The decision to purchase a Tesla or any electric vehicle should consider individual needs, driving habits, budget, and access to charging infrastructure. Tesla continues to work on improving its vehicles and addressing many of these issues, so it's advisable to research the latest models and read owner reviews before making a decision. It's important to note that these drawbacks may not be significant concerns for all potential Tesla buyers. The decision to purchase a Tesla or any electric vehicle should consider individual needs, driving habits, budget, and access to charging infrastructure. Tesla continues to work on improving its vehicles and addressing many of these issues, so it's advisable to research the latest models and read owner reviews before making a decision.